When a conservation space starts looking like a wellness experience, it changes how you see everything around it. Vantara, known for its conservation work, expands its vision through ELENA's Global Wellness Day 2026 experiences at Minerals by ELENA. Vantara Niwas, focused on movement, mindfulness, nourishment, and connection, it creates a new perspective. Jamnagar is not just about animal care. It also reflects human well-being. Together, it shows how modern spaces can quietly blend nature, healing, and lifestyle into one ecosystem.